Of course, nobody would deny that Greece has financial problems, and nobody would claim that ERT, that's the public broadcaster, is the best of all public broadcasters. But the abrupt decision of 2 ministers to close down ERT, actually published and then actually also done by the end of the same day, this is not going to save the government any money. It's actually quite the contrary. It will cost them more money. Why? ERT was funded from the license fee by citizens. They pay 4.25 euros a month. ERT was generating a small surplus. The channel was not bankrupt. And this is why we believe these measures taken were without, by the way, any debate in a parliament, any consensus about the role and the organization of the future, the new organization to be established. This, we think, illustrates a fundamental lack of understanding of the democratic, let's say, debate, a lack of respect for democratic culture, but also a lack of respect for the Article 10 of the human rights.